Hello.
Hello, Sandeep.
Yeah. So here, today we are going to discuss about the load balancer. What is it?
Load balance.
What is in the load balancer? Load balancer is nothing but distribute the traffic. What is it? Distribute the traffic between virtual machines. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
So load balancer is nothing but we are going to distribute the traffic. So we have the two types of load balancers. What are they?
Two types.
Of load balancers. One is basic load balancer. One is standard load balancer. What is it?
Standard.
Basic load balancer is nothing but you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in. You can distribute the traffic between the
Virtual machines.
virtual machines. So basic load balancer is nothing but you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in same availability set. What is it? In same
Availability set.
availability set. When you come to the standard load balancer, you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in different
Availability set.
Availability set in same virtual network. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Set in same virtual network. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So basic load balancer is nothing but you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in same availability set in same virtual network. And standard load balancer is nothing but you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in different availability set in same virtual
Same
network.
virtual network.
Okay. So first what I'm trying to do, I'm going to create a resource group, create a resource group, and the resource group name is Azure test. Next, thanks, and finally review and create. After that, virtual networks. I'm going to create a virtual network, and the resource virtual network name is Azure test vnet. Next, and 10.0.0/16. I'm going to take the subnet Azure test subnet 1 10.10.1.0/24. Click on save. Are you able to follow me? Click on next and finally review and
Yes, Sandeep.
create. So I have created the virtual network Azure test vnet. In this Azure test vnet, we have the settings and we have the subnets. Azure test subnet 1. You can create a 2 or 3 or virtual machines in the same subnet, but I'm going to create a different subnet. Okay, are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Azure test subnet 2. 10.10.2.0/24 and click on add. Just a moment. Can you hear me? Guys, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we are going to create it, right? So I'll try to distribute the traffic between the two virtual machines. I'm going to create two virtual machines, one virtual machine in subnet 1, another virtual machines in subnet 2. Got it? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll just go with the research group Azure test and the virtual machine name is Linux machine 1. I'll take the virtual machine name is Linux machine 1 region and availability region, right? I already told you, right? So basic is nothing but you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in same availability set.
Yes.
But when you come to the standard load balancer, you can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in different availability set. Okay.
Okay.
And there is an interview question that, uh, for example, I have created a virtual machine. After creating the virtual machine, I have created the availability set. Is it possible to configure the availability set after creating the virtual machine?
No, Sanjay.
No,
It is
right.
not possible, right? No.
No.
So while creating the virtual machine or before creating the virtual machine, you have to create the availability set. Got it?
Yes.
You have to select the no. I'm going to create a availability set. Create new availability set. I'll give the availability set name as Azure Test AV1. Click on OK. And we don't require that much of size, just we are doing the practice standard. And the image type, anything you can take it. I'll go to Ubuntu. And 1 CP 2 GB RAM is enough. And the password, I'll give the username is, I have given the Linux machine one, right? Username is India, password is India at the 1 2 3 4 5 6. India at the 1 2 3 4 5 6. HTTPS, next disk, standard system, next networking, next management, next monitoring, disable, next advanced, next tags, and finally review and create. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I'm going to create a one more virtual machine. Got it? Create a Linux mission 2. Azure test, and the mission name is Linux mission 2. And the region is East US. And here you have to select the availability set. I already told you, right? You have the availability set, right? You can see the availability set one. Guys, are you able to follow me? Basic load balancer, you can distribute the traffic between the same availability set. Any doubts here? Any doubts here?
No, Sanjay.
I'll go to standard. I'll go to Ubuntu. And I have taken 1 CP 2 GB RAM password. I'll give the username is. I given the mission name is Linux mission 2. I'll give the password is India. India at the top 1 2 3 4 5 6. India at the top 1 2 3 4 5 6. And I'm going to HTTPS, next disk, standard system, next networking. So here I'm going to tell the Azure test submit to. Got it? Hello? What I'm selecting here? Submit
Submit
to. Disk. What is getting? Azure test Linux Vista East US availability set. Standard. Next disk. Standard system. Next networking. Next management. Next monitoring. Next advanced. Next tags, and finally review and great. How can we access the Linux machine?
using
How can we access by the
putty. Using putty.
yeah. I'll go to virtual missions. I'll go to Linux mission 1. I'll just copy the public IP. I'll try to access by using the India. Password is India at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Did I explain the VNet peering?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the VNet peering? What is mean by VNet peering? Aravind, what is VNet peering? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by VNet peering?
Sandeep, establish communication between virtual
Yes,
machines.
sir. Two virtual machine.
Yes. To establish a communication, and load balancer is nothing but to distribute the traffic. Okay.
Yes, yes. Sir.
I have the one more virtual machine here. I have created Linux mission 2. I'll just copy this. I'll try to access by using the putty. Login is India and password is India at 1 2 3 4 5 6. I click change settings, appearance and change. Clear? Okay. So totally how many virtual machines? We have the
Oh.
2 virtual machines, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll try to distribute the traffic between these 2 virtual machines. For example, install Nginx in virtual machine. So if it is you want to write, you have to use the yum. Yes or no? Sudo su hyphen yum update hyphen y. Okay. Yum install Nginx hyphen y. Sudo su hyphen I go with the version 1. Then yum update hyphen y. Sorry, this is not yum, right? It is apt. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Apt update update hyphen y. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So generally
Yes,
we
sir.
have the 2 types of IPs, right? This is the public IP, this is a public IP, this is a private IP. What is the difference between public IP and private IP? What is the difference between public IP and private IP?
For public IP,
Oh.
anyone can access. For private IP, for particular specific organization.
Sorry, public IP is nothing but
That anyone can access to that IP.
public IP is nothing but anyone can access. Private IP is nothing but for
Specific
external
organization.
public private IP is for internal communication. Public IP is for external communication. Got it?
Yes.
So if you,
Yes, sir.
private IP is nothing but internal communication from one service to another service we are communicating. Then we are going to use the public IP. Private IP. Public IP is nothing but for anyone can access for external communication. Got it?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, here I have the Linux session 1. I'll just copy this public IP. Here I want to give the public IP, private IP in the Google. You want to give the public IP, private IP?
Public IP.
Copy this and you have to give the public IP. Are you getting anything here? You are not getting anything, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to install app install Nginx -y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you refresh this page, you're getting like welcome to
Nginx.
Nginx. So I'll change it here. I want to know that for which VM the traffic is going, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Nano var www html. Okay. Okay, actually change direct to the var www html. Actually, this is the file. Got it? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Nano var ww HTML. Okay. Edit content in Nginx. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
So you know that, right? Nano var w, you can do it. In the place of welcome to Nginx, what I'm giving you? Welcome to Linux machine 1. Control S for save and Control X for exit. Okay. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Control plus X for exit. Or you can use that also. What is we are using? VI editor also you can do it. Okay. You know that, right? VI editor.
Yes, sir.
VI means I for insert colon. Sorry. Okay. Escape colon W save and quit. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So when I refresh this page, what I'm getting here?
Welcome to
Welcome to
Linux
Linux
Mission.
Mission 1, right? I'll go to Linux Mission 2. I'll go to Linux Mission 2. I'll just copy this public IP. I'll go with the putty. Open. Login as India and password is India. And data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right click. Change settings. IP range and change. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So sudo su hyphen. And you need to update it. After update hyphen y. Update. Clear? Nano var ww html index dot nginx hyphen dpn dot html.
Install engines.
Have you installed the Nginx?
No.
Hello? Okay, sorry.
No, sir.
You have to install it, right? Nginx hyphen y. Clear? Nano var ww html index dot nginx hyphen dpn dot html. So here you can see the welcome to Linux Mission. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Control S and Control X. I'll just copy this. I'll go ahead. I'll paste here. What are you getting here? Welcome to
Linux machine.
So by this we came to know that whether the traffic is redirecting to Linux machine 1 or the traffic is redirecting to the Linux machine 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now I'm going to create a load balancer, basic load balancer. We go to load balancers and create a load balancer. And you have to select the resource group. And before that, you have to remove the public IPU for your, okay. You can see that basic load balancer is retiring soon. Are you able to see here?
Yes.
So you have to select the resource group, Azure test, and the basic load balancer name is Azure test BLB, basic load balancer. Got it? East US. So generally I'm selecting the basic. Okay. Is it for the public or internal? Internal. Public.
So Sandeep, next year onwards basic ఉన్నదండి.
Okay. Click on next IPM configuration. Okay, just you can go with keep it internal only. Next front end IP. Add the front end IP. Azure test front end IP. And select the subnet. What is the subnet I am selecting here? Azure test subnet 1. Oh. Next. Next. And the backend IP pool. Azure test B pool. And add you can see that it is showing the not okay. These you are not able to add this IPs, right? Yes or no? There are Linux Mission 1 and Linux Mission 2. But can you able to add here? Can you able to
No.
add here? Are you able to add here?
Option is not.
You are not able to add. Why you are not able to add here? Why? Because the two virtual machines you are going to have the public IP. Got it? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Go to Linux Mission 1. Networking settings. And here you can go with network interface will be there, okay? And here, okay, I'll do one thing. Directly you can go with the public IPs. Are you able to follow me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is a Linux Mission 1 IP. And simply you can get the configuration. Okay, you can go with disassociate. What is it? Disassociated with the Linux machine. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
And the same thing, public IP, you go with the Linux machine 2. Disassociate with
Public IP.
okay. The action will permit to dissociate the public IP address on Linux machine 2. Got it? Now you can see the two virtual machines. Linux machine 1, you don't have the public IP. Linux machine 2, you don't have the public IP. Got it? Got
Yes.
it? Now go with the load balancers. Create a load balancer. Azure test, basic load balancer. And you have to select whether it's a standard or basis. Just select the basic. And next front-end IP configuration. Add the front-end IP. So this IP is going to be shown in the front-end. Okay. As it is subnet one, click on. Not for the basic. Sorry. This is you have to select the public. Okay. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Click on next front-end IP and add the front-end IP. Azure test front-end IP, and you can create a new. Can be accessed with the load balancer. Create a new Azure test TIP public IP. Okay. Click on save. Any doubts or any questions here? Hello. Guys, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Click on next backend pools. Backend pool is nothing but what is in the pool? Pool is nothing but a group. What is it?
Group.
Hello, group. So add the backend pool. I'm giving the pool name Azure test B pool, and the virtual network name is Azure test VNet. And here you have to add the virtual machines. Now it is showing the 2 virtual machines, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you have the 100 virtual machines also, you can add the same version. Click on add. These are getting the errors. Just I'm closing this virtual machines. Guys, any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Hello. Click on save. Next,
Yes, sir.
inbound rules. Sorry, Arvind. Add the load balancing rules.
Done.
Azure test load balancing rules. So whether you're getting IPv4 or IPv6, go with an IPv4. And we have select the front-end IP, right? Just front-end IP. And backend pool, I'm creating backend pool, where pool we have added the virtual machines. And you can give the port number 80 port. 80 port is nothing but internal communication. You know that HTTP is a 80 port, okay?
Yes.
Got it? And port number also 80 only. Click on save. Probe. Actually, you have to create a probe. Create a probe. Azure test probe. Probe is nothing but why you're using this probe is nothing but, for example, how many missions are there here? How many missions are there here?
2 missions.
2 missions. So if I have the 2 missions, if I'm having the 2 missions, what are the traffic I'm getting? It is going to distribute for the 2 missions. Got it?
Yes.
In case, if the one mission is not working, if the one mission is not working, automatically it distribute all the traffic to the another mission. So for every 5 seconds of interval, it is ping it. It is going to ping whether the 2 VMs are working or not. If the one VM is not working, it will divert all the traffic to the one VM only. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
That is nothing but a probe. Click on save. Backend port is 80 port. Okay. Click on save. Click on next outbounding rules. Next tags, and finally review and create. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
You can see that you can go with the load balancers. Azure basic load balancer. You got the public IP right here. See more. You can see the public IP, right?
Yes.
You are getting the virtual machine state. Where it is redirecting?
Linux machine 2.
Okay, I'll just ping you in the WhatsApp the same IP. You people write for which VM it is redirecting.
Linux machine 1.
For others, what about the other one? You're getting Linux Mission 1 or Linux Mission 2? Arvind, you're getting Linux Mission 1 or Linux Mission 2? Satish, for you, what you're getting?
Linux machine 1.
Yeah, so here you can see that the traffic is distributing, right? For me, it is getting Linux Mission 2. For you, you're getting the Linux Mission 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So using the load balancer, you can distribute the traffic. And one more thing, I'll give the task for you. You people has to do the standard load balancer. Got it? So
Okay.
what are the process we done? Everything is same. Behalf of one availability set, you the subnet one, you have to create availability set one. In subnet two, you have to give the availability set two. Got it?
Okay.
So you can see here basic versus standard, basic versus standard load balancer. You can see in the Microsoft what is the difference between basic and standard. So basic load balancer, you don't have the public IP, but standard load balancer you have the network interface and all these things. Okay. And basic load balancer you have only TCP/UDP and both are same. In the basic load balancer, you can't configure the virtual machine skill set, that I'll explain you. But in the standard load balancer, you can have the virtual machine skill set. In the basic load balancer, suppose only TCP, HTTP, but standard load balancer is going to be it's like compatible with HTTP, HTTPS also. HTTPS is nothing but secured, okay? You used to get like SCF. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In the basic load balancer, you don't have the availability sort, but in standard load balancer, the important things is in the basic load balancer, it take like 60 to 90 seconds to divert the traffic. In the standard load balancer, less than 30 seconds. And we have the SSL service level agreement. If you have any issue in the services, basic load balancer, Microsoft is not responsible. But in the standard load balancer, 99.9%, so Microsoft is responsible. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the difference between basic load balancer, standard load balancer, and standard load balancer is a paid. Okay, nothing is there, and same how we done with the standard basic load balancer, same way you have to create a load balancer and Azure test, and you have to give you all this. But here you have to select the standard, and it's public. Okay, remaining things are same. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow I am going to explain you about the traffic manager. Okay. So traffic manager is also one type of load balancer. We can distribute the traffic between the virtual machines in different availability sets in different VNet. Got it?
Okay.
Any doubts or any questions? Hello?
No, sir.
Sandeep, రేపు task ఏంటి?